What's going on, everyone? Today is Wednesday, May 19th, 2021, and you may have noticed that this morning there was a huge crash in the cryptocurrency market. So, taking a quick look at this, Bitcoin was kind of going up and down due to the Elon Musk thing, saying that it is not very good for the environment and uses a lot of energy, which is true in some parts. However, that is not the reason it crashed today. Recently, China put out a new thing trying to prevent financial institutions and payment companies from making cryptocurrency transactions and saying that they aren't allowed to provide crypto to clients. Now, this does not ban crypto in China. People are still allowed to buy it and trade it. However, it prevents those big financial institutions from really using it with their clients, which is a big hit to the crypto market, as you can see now. So there are a bunch of things hitting record lows. Let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. It almost dumped down to 30,000, which is crazy. Its lowest was 31,600 on this chart, which I think has been its lowest since like January. So the last time it was at 31,600 was all the way back near like January 27th. So it is in a 4-month low. It is crazy how much everything is dipping due to this. However, there are a few I think that maybe buys right now. I think this is kind of now let's say first and foremost, I'm not a legal financial advisor. You should take nothing I say as advice or anything that way. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just saying what I think, what I like. You shouldn't take it as advice. Anyway, that being said, I think we're kind of hitting the point where we're done throwing random cryptocurrencies around. I feel like that's kind of how everything has worked in the past few months. We've been just pumping cryptocurrency after cryptocurrency. It's time, like the internet bubble, where the ones that really have a solid purpose are kind of shining. So, taking a look at that, here are 3 of them. I think if you are going to buy the dip, these are just what I would buy. If I was going to buy a dip, this is what I would buy. First and foremost, Ethereum, absolutely. I know the dip looks bad in a 24-hour. However, if you look at it, it's like not, its low today is like, what, 2,200? Okay, its low today is 2,000. And if you're looking at in the 1-month span, that's where they were at, like just around April 22nd, like less than a month ago, they were at this spot. Ethereum is just so advanced. It has such a great it's like the new internet. It is insane. It's hard to really grasp how crazy Ethereum is, but I mean, their price dip really isn't that bad when you look at it. Obviously, don't go into this with a day trading perspective. They like their low is only like a month ago, so that's not that bad. Another one I really like, ADA. Probably heard this all over before. Super energy efficient. It has shown itself as a leader recently. Its low today was what? Around like 1.22. $1.22. That's going to be around same as Ethereum about a month ago. So really, it looks like a crazy drop. You see like over here, negative 30, a drop of 30%. When you look at it though, it's like, what? That's where it was a month ago. It's not crazy. It's not like it's losing the whole entire gain it's had for the past 6 months. Like if you look at the chart with it, let's look at what, 1 year. It's really still up there. I mean, yeah, we're losing a lot from the peak, but if you look at this, it's still really going up. So I'm a big 88 fan. Now let's go ahead and pick one that isn't in the top 10, but still kind of around there. I'll go with Litecoin. I am a Litecoin fan. I think the transactions fees are great. I think Litecoin is Bitcoin, but made for trading, made for day-to-day use from person to person, which is fantastic. So Litecoin has actually had a very big drop today. It's what, down to 195, I think. Let's see, it's low. No, its low is 157. Obviously, it's kind of settling around that 195 area. But let's just go figure out where the latest 157 was, which is going to be a while back. That's going to be, I think, back in January, huh? Yeah, so we take back to around January here. That's where we hit those numbers. Late January, early February. So that is a big setback, maybe to some people, but to me, this is a fantastic opportunity to get some Litecoin on your hands if you didn't have some already. Now, of course, this is not advice on what you should buy, it's just my thoughts. I am a believer in crypto. At the end of the day, I'm not really worried that the financial institutions are not allowed to back it in China. I am a long-term believer in crypto. I think it has a fantastic purpose. However, I do kind of like this as a setting for we need to figure out what the real people are, and let's look at some of the biggest losers. Like, I'm sorry to all you meme coin lovers, but the biggest loser today is Shiba Inu coin, and that was created as a meme. That's the purpose is just not that great. So, yeah, I think this is actually a pretty good thing for the crypto thing. I think we've gathered a lot of day traders over the past few months, and they kind of need to be kicked out, you know? We need people who are ready to make the coins go to where they should go. And at the end of the day, the point of crypto is to keep away from a central authority and kind of go from person to person. So I'm not really worried that a central authority is kind of banned from selling it to the people. The people can buy it from other people. That's I'm not really the whole ban doesn't really bother me. It's kind of the cause for this whole crash and then just panic selling. So I personally have bought the dip a little myself in Ethereum, ADA, Litecoin, and I did buy the dip a bit in another one, I'll tell you, XLM. I bought the dip in XLM, it was like 39 cents a coin, which is, I think XLM has some decent potential, and that was just so low. Pretty sure I got it at like 30, yeah, I got it, well, it went all the way down to 32. I wish I bought that. I got it at like 38, so still very solid. I'm curious what you guys think about this dip. If you think it was caused by something else, let me know in the comments below. However, if you have something else that you are interested in buying the dip on, let me know down below. I'm curious what your thoughts are. If you do not like Ethereum or one of the things that I said I like buying the dip on, let me know down below. So I hope you take care, everyone. Talk to you later.